and welcome to my podcast about automobile repairs and care. My name is Asuro, and I am an automotive technician in Nigeria. Today's topic is how to change a car battery. The car battery is an essential component of your car's electrical system, and it powers everything from the starter motor to the headlights. Over time, car batteries can lose their charge or fail completely, and it's important to know how to change them safely and correctly. Here's how to change a car battery. Gather your tools. To change a car battery, you will need a few basic tools, including gloves, safety glasses, a wrench or socket set, and a wire brush. Locate the battery. The car battery is typically located under the hood of your car, near the front of the engine compartment. Look for a rectangular box with two cables attached to it. This is the battery. Disconnect the cables. Before you can remove the old battery, you need to disconnect the cables that are connected to it. Use a wrench or socket set to loosen the nut on the negative cable first, then the positive plus cable. Be sure to keep the cables separate and away from the battery to prevent them from touching and causing a short circuit. Remove the battery. Once the cables are disconnected, you can remove the old battery from the car. Be careful when lifting the battery, as it can be heavy and awkward to handle. If necessary, use a battery carrier or lift to make the process easier. Clean the battery terminals. Before installing the new battery, it's a good idea to clean the battery terminals with a wire brush. This will help ensure a good connection between the cables and the new battery. Install the new battery. Carefully place the new battery into the battery tray and secure it in place with the hold-down bracket. Connect the positive plus cable first, then the negative cable. Be sure to tighten the nuts securely, but don't over-tighten them. Test the new battery. Once the new battery is installed, start the car and make sure everything is working correctly. Check the headlights, radio, and other electrical components to ensure that they are functioning properly. In conclusion, changing a car battery is a straightforward process that anyone can do with the right tools and knowledge. However, if you are unsure about how to change a car battery, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for assistance. Thank you for listening to my podcast about automobile repairs and care. Stay tuned for more episodes with tips and advice to help you keep your car running smoothly and reliably.